Hello friends, as you know that English language is spoken all over the world, almost in all countries of the world. In some countries it is spoken by many people, but in some countries it is spoken by less population. But in all over the world, however, it is spoken or understood as a second language. And in some of countries you know that it is spoken as a first language, and mostly people speak English language as a second language. Have you ever heard that any country prohibited speaking the English language or teaching the English language to his masses? You have never heard perhaps, but I will tell you that Iran is the country where they prohibited the English language up to primary level. In primary classes, it is prohibited to teach the English subject, and it is taught there in middle standards. There was the option of choice whether you can choose to learn the English language or read the English subject. However, up to primary level, it is prohibited by the government in 2018 in Iran, because they considered it that if we teach the children's English language from their early classes, this will be the cultural invasion on the minds of the people, our children or students there. So up to primary level it is prohibited there to teach the English subject. However, when students in the age of 12 or 14 they are able to learn the English language in their middle standards, and there is the choice whether they want to learn or not. In this way, there are some countries such as France. France has prohibited some of the words of English language to protect their own language, because they understand that there are some of the words in English language, those might be the danger for their French language. So they prohibited some of English words there in their country. In this way, the Saudi Arabia prohibited speaking English language in offices. And in offices in Saudi Arabia, Arabic is used, their national language. In this way, you know that some people like to learn the English language, and there are some communities those don't like to learn the English language. They understand that it is a Western cultural, it is a type of promoting the Western culture in their countries. So some countries have their own rules and regulation, but in most of the countries, English is taught as a very special subject. And even when I was reading, I will tell you that in previous age, when I was reading in my early class up to 5th standard, I did not learn the English language. I did not study the English subject. Up to 5th standard, there was no English language subject. When we reach to 6th standard, we start learning the alphabetical words of English language. So it was very difficult for a person who want to make himself fluent in English language to speak the better English. If a student learn English from his early ages, then it will be easy for him to speak the language or to become fluent in this language. However, right now it is taught from early classes, and most of the subjects are in English language in most of the countries. But in previous days, in previous age, when I studied, there was no custom of reading or teaching the English subject from basic classes. However, I have read the news that in 2018, Iran has banned teaching the English subject from primary classes, and it is allowed to teach the subject from middle standards, and there was the option to adopt or not. So in this way, English is considered right now. Mostly people or mostly communities are learning the English language as a second language, because they know that this is the international language, and they come across a lot of things which they can find through this language. And you know that the language of the internet is also the English language. In this way, in each country of the world, all countries of the world, there may be the number good, there may be the number less, but people are learning the language, English language. In Japan, they are learning the language, but there are some countries who give the English language less importance, and there are the countries those give the much importance to learn the English language. And in some of the countries, it is understood the symbol of honor to learn the English language, and those who speak the English language are considered the intelligent people, are considered the well-educated people, or because I think the credit goes because when you learn the exotic language, which is not your first language, and when you learn the other languages, the languages of other people, and it is too much difficult to master yourself in that language, and it requires a lot of time. You have to give many years to learn the language, to speak. So whenever any person learn the language after hard working, after doing so much efforts, then I think the credit should go to that person, and that person should be respected by the masses, because everybody do not have the potential to learn the languages of other people. Only the intelligent people can learn other languages, or can give the time or devotion towards learning the languages. And for learning anything or languages, devotion is much necessary, and you should set up a goal to achieve. And if you have a goal, then you will be able to learn the language very easily. Otherwise, without setting any kind of goal, if you start learning just by seeing others, that others are speaking the English language and you are not speaking the English language, I think it is very difficult for you to get a command on the language. Any kind of thing which you achieve in life is due to your interest, your devotion, and your hard working. And with the hard working, your destiny is also required, and if you do the hard work, your destiny will probably support you. And I think that when we use right now the social media, we find many things, many stuff in English language. So we should learn this language, because this language makes the bridge between the two communities, the people of two nationalities. Their languages are different, their culture is different, their daily routines are different, and if they don't know their languages, they cannot understand each other's culture or problems. When they know the international language, that is the bridge language, you can say, making the bridge between two communities, you can communicate easily with each others. As instance, such as you know the national language of your country, and you travel towards other countries where the national language is different from your country. You both have the different languages. You cannot understand each other languages, but the only source to make between you the bridge is the English language. And with the help of this language, you can interact with each other, you can talk with each other, you can share your views, share your what is your culture, what is your religion, and you can also tell people about your countries, about environment there, and a lot of other things about you and your countries. In this way, you will get a lot of help. And if you want to get some kind of jobs, and you know that mostly interviews are taken place in English language, and it will also help you to give the interview in proper way and to be selected for the job. So I think that this is the international language, and we should learn this language, and we should there should be a international language. Without international language, the different communities cannot communicate with each others. So it is a must to learn the English language, and hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, and give your valuable suggestions below in comment box that how you find this video, and what are your suggestions about this whatever said in this video. Allow me till next video. In next video I will talk about some other subject. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.